Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of the Ramen. Yeah. And, yeah. This is Hans the Ramen Raider, another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Got a lot of episodes now, and there's always something interesting and new to try in the instant noodle world. And today is no exception. Look at that. Can you say Menudo? Yeah. This is Menudo from Vida Food Group. They were kind enough to shoot me some over, and I saw it on my group, Ramen Junkies. Somebody got some, so it's like, hey, who is this company? So I caught a hold of them. Look at that. That's a neat package. I like it a lot. So let's make some. The main thing I know about Menudo is, let's turn up the brightness on my stinking phone. Yeah. The main thing I know about Menudo is that there was a group called Menudo. And they would come on during Saturday morning cartoons on ABC when I was a kid. That's about it. I know it's tripe soup, but that's kind of about all they wrote as far as my knowledge on it. Which makes me feel very deficient. Just wait till you see the one that I'm going to do up tomorrow. I know even less about that. Wikipedia is helpful when it comes to ethnic food, but I think the most helpful thing is having it prepared by someone who is of that ethnicity. Hopefully someday that will happen. But as far as Menudo goes, I have had that out of a can, and I'm not a big fan of tripe though, so. And there's for the one I'm doing tomorrow, I'll talk about that tomorrow. Wow, it's a big sachet of seasoning. Interesting. So yeah, this is like traditional Mexican flavors, but it's put together in Vietnam, and I'm really curious how that's gonna work out. I'm hopeful. Big shout out to Andy, the guy who sent this over. Thank you, dude. That was rad of ya. Let's pour it in. Alright. And cover 4. 1, 2, 3 minutes. See? Look at me, I can speak Spanish. Yeah, what a day, God. Children have been just absolutely outlandish. Horrible children today. I'm very disappointed. However, things are looking good. Mimi's gonna be able to go to preschool in person for sure in the fall, and Miles got approved for summer school in it doesn't even look like it's charging. In August, and Monday through Thursday all day summer school. It's like he'll love that too. It's not like I have to go to summer school. No, he'll really like that. That'll be good for him to get him refreshed on the way to first grade. What the? I don't even know what to think about that. That's just too freaking weird. There's a quote of the day from the book Momo Fuguando Speaks. There's a quotation from the guy who invented the instant noodle, number 23. An excellent venture business creates a new market and offers employment opportunities for many people. We already did that. Number 24, opening up a new business requires technological innovation. What about a lemonade stand, dude? I guess that's really not a new business, is it? God, it's like he's watching a football game or something. He'll just be out there watching this. It's called booba, but it's not like the weird things that go. It's B-O-O-B-A, and it's this ugly goblin-like thing, and he runs around and does stupid stuff. And Miles watched that. And he's like, "No, look out, booba! No, don't do that, booba! Whoa, booba!" And it's like, oh my god. Thunder? Through my ears deceive me? I don't know, it's plenty dark outside. That could be a jet flying over. We live next to Boeing. What we got? 22 seconds. That's enough time for a sip of my beverage. Beverages, they're good. So, there we go. All right, we're gonna try Menudo from Vida Food. Okay. I'm getting a very strong scent of cumin, and that makes me happy because I love cumin. No. That's better. It smells freaking divine. It smells right up my alley. Not to say it smells like an alley. You know what I mean. Very heavy on the cumin. I like that. Nice little bit of heat. Yes. There's the broth. Yeah. You got me on that one. I am in. I'm not sharing these. I should have followed my wife's grandfather's advice, who by now, when this comes out, will be, well, I don't know, I might push this out on my group, Ramen Junkies. Go on Facebook and type in Ramen Junkies to find the group and join, and we'll let you in. But one thing that my wife's grandfather, Mr. Moreno, says is put an egg on it. And I could totally see putting an egg on that. It's got a nice cumin hit to it. I freaking love cumin. Oh man, I sure do. There's that. Now, it's Menudo, it's beef flavor, so I got beef. This is sauteed, basically sauteed stir-fry beef. But it works really well for almost everything, so I like using it. Beefy. That's a big beef right there. I'll use it though. Oh, I don't know. That's kind of dark on that side. Okay, there's that. There's that beefy beef. What else do we have? Lime. I keep grabbing for that other stuff. That's not what we need. I keep grabbing for my shredded chicken I made. Stop being so noisy out there. My God. They mentioned some onion. I'm guessing they meant like white onion. I mean, I've got green onion too, but I got a bunch of stuff to add into this stuff. I just hope the broth will still be slightly visible. Well, yeah, I hope the broth's still visible. Where should I put these onions? Oh, I should put them right on the broth, huh? There's some more onion. I did something kind of neat. I will toot my own horn about it. First, let's add some little cilantro. Not a lot. A couple sprigs. And I didn't want my frustration if it didn't work to like get in my way. So what I did is I ran some serrano peppers through the magic holy slicer. And let me show you. They came out really nice. Look at that. Super thin. There's a little mountain of them right there. And then we've got some basil. It said basil and oregano, and wow, way to go, Safeway. This basil's seen better days. But we'll give it a try. Let's tear up some basil. This music is weird. Sounds like a techno dungeon. I've been listening to some weird music when I go out in the mornings lately. I was listening to some Estonian music. And we're getting short on time. I better do this up. Let's look at it. What could it use? Where is it? There it is. Could use some organic crushed red pepper. There we go. I'm gonna tell you right now, man. This onion slicer is amazeballs for this pepper. Wowee. All right, here we are. Rotato, do your stuff. Make us proud. Well, cool. Thank you for watching. Tomorrow, got the puzzle. So we'll see that tomorrow. Hope to see you tomorrow here on Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Have a good one and bye-bye.